Vegas. You can see the strip over there in front of us.
Southwest Airlines coming in for landing.
And Southwest Airlines coming in for landing. Gotta have those flights into Vegas. So we made it over the gigantic pass up by the Hoover Dam, and we've got about 15 more minutes to our campsite. There it is, guys, straight ahead of us. The Las Vegas Boulevard. So we're about to take a little cruise down the strip. Spritey's here, hanging out with us.
It's 112 degrees. Not bad, actually. It's not as bad as they were predicting. But yeah, we're done work for the day. Nothing else to do until we cook dinner, so it's like, why not take the dog for a ride down the Vegas Strip in the Dodge for the fun of it?
Viva Las Vegas! Circus. Creepy clown and all. More specific.
Well, I'm terrible with actors' names, but it's one where they did the magic trick and stole all the money, but didn't steal the money.
Is that one of the Ocean's 11
Yes.
ones?
Hey guys, as some of you may or may not know, my mother passed away last fall, so we're having a memorial of life this summer, and I'm going to leave Sue in Vegas with Dog, because Dog is 18 and a half and doesn't travel well, and I'm flying back to Maine to be at her memorial, so we will see you back here at the Hoover Dam. Well, after setting for almost a year, I hooked the battery up, pumped it a bunch, and fired right up. So we're going to get some gas because we need to make that go away. That died over the winter while we were in Florida, and I'm only here for a couple days, so I've got a laundry list of things to do. But but that tree is pretty close to, yeah, there's my finger, that house. So I'm gonna go get some gas. We're gonna knock that down. We've cleaned up the orchard up there. We've picked up all the dead trees. It's starting to actually look pretty presentable. And we're gonna try to get this all wrapped up and head back up to Las Vegas to see Sue. It's down. It's very rotten in the middle. Chainsaw is kind of dull, so I'm out of breath, but it went very, very well. Notched it, made a back cut, and just gently tipped it over with the excavator. So now to clean up the mess. So you'll see, we've got it all cleaned up. Probably going to get the tractor out, put the bucket on, and back drag it. We tracked it in with the excavator just to pack it down. Broke the stump up and buried it in the hole, and the rotten tree over there, we'll go take a look at that. But the tree was really rotten, actually. I'm glad I did this while I was here for the weekend, because I'm not sure this tree would have made the winter. So that's probably about 20 feet of tree. Still a little punky there. Certainly way punky in there. And then if you look at the butt of the tree, probably hard to see on that end because of the sun. Let me take you around to this end. There you go. It was right full of ants. The stump was too. But anyways, there it is. Just needs a little bit more flattening and some grass seed.
So Ryan, you walked all the way from Nevada to Arizona today. How do you feel?
Actually, it's a pretty long walk. And it's way uphill, so it's probably about a mile to right here, I'm guessing. But
Probably, yeah, half, 3/4 of a mile at least.
But it's not that warm out yet. It's a beautiful view. We're at least 1,000 feet there. The dam is 700, I think, 900, something like that. So we're way above that. So maybe we're about 1,500 feet in the air. It's a pretty cool bridge. Kind of hard to imagine that less than, what, 10, 12 years ago, all the traffic had to wind through there, cross the bridge, and over back onto the road, and go through all the security, whereas now you can just hammer right on. But anyways, I think what we're going to do is we're going to wander back, and I think we're probably parking right there. We may drive across the bridge first, and then come back and park and do everything. Certainly want to walk out on the bridge as well, but I just think it'd be cool to drive across the two while we're here. So
By bridge, he means dam.
yeah, okay, the top of the dam, but certainly want to walk out on that as well. So anyway, we're going to wander back to the truck, which is about a mile that way, and down the side of that rock, and we'll bring you back when we see something else cool.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
What we call here the Hoover Dam, the super grade, when it combined lifting up to 600 tons. So we can lift that rotor down below with fully assembled, or any other rotor in and out of these generator assemblies for repair maintenance.
So that was our tour of the Hoover Dam, my stint in Maine for the weekend, and just a kind of a random hodgepodge of videos that we shot while we were in Vegas. And we're getting ready now to head off to Cedar City, Utah. We were going to stay in Hurricane, but Hurricane was looking quite warm, and Cedar City was looking quite pleasant. So we're staying at Cedar Break RV Park, and plan to go tour, maybe Matt's Off-Road Recovery, Fab Rats, a few things like that, and Tokerville Falls. But that's going to be in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.